So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Moto G9 Plus. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Moto G9 Plus are Snapdragon 730G, 64 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging, 6.8 inches Full HD Plus display, HDR10, Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Moto G9 Plus. There are two storage variants of Moto G9 Plus, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Moto G9 Plus, blue color, grey color and gold color. This is the front side of Moto G9 Plus. This is the back side of Moto G9 Plus. The expected launch date of Moto G9 Plus will be in the mid of December. In my opinion, the expected price of Moto G9 Plus should be below 17,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.